History was made recently in the ancient town of Ijebu Ode when members of Apebi chieftaincy family Ijebu Ode unanimously appointed Otumba Kunle Ogunade as the new Alapebi of Apebi Ijebu Ode. Aduola Elufowojo was part of the event, which took place at Apebi compound Ijebu Ode, and now reports.
Otumba Engineer Adekunle Ogunade was nominated unanimously by Apebi chieftaincy family meeting at the meeting held at Apebi compound.
The gathering, according to the chairman of Apebi Chieftaincy Family House, Ijebu Ode, Alhaji Gani Adesina, is to publicly announce and present the new Alapebi of Ijebu Ode to the family members. He added that after a long deliberations by the family, Otumba Kunle Ogunade, being the only and one that showed interest in the chieftaincy title, was unanimously chosen and appointed as the new Apebi of Ipebi, Ijebu Ode.
The reason why we're here today is because of a Apebi chieftaincy family. Today is our last day in the family meeting. Yes. To show that engineer Kunle Ogunade is the one this house elected.
Olórí ẹbí of Apebi family, Alhaji Tajudeen Olatokunbo, described the appointment of Otumba Kunle Ogunade as the new Alapebi as the right step in the right direction. He charged members of the family to rally round the new Alapebi in his traditional role in appointment of the new Awujale of Ijebu land.
No counter. He was elected unanimously without any opposition. And it was unanimously supported by the whole family meeting.
Responding, the new Alapebi, Otumba Kunle Ogunade, appreciates members of the family for counting him worthy of the exotic post of Alapebi and promised to be good ambassador of Apebi family compound.
All the members of Apebi family present here today, home and abroad, I really appreciate what you have done for me, and I promise I will not disappoint you. Thank you. In Jesus' mighty name.
The appointment of the new Alapebi signifies the end of the traditional 90 days mourning period of the late Awujale Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona and the beginning of the process of appointment of the new Awujale of Ijebu land. Agbola Elufowojo, NTA News.